Today I'm gonna show you how to reset this emission inspection warning triangle light, which is sometimes it comes on a BMW. And don't panic, some people think that this has something to do with the exhaust system, like EGR valve and cooler, or DPF, diesel particle filter, or engine gas recirculation, something like this. But it's not that. It's really easy, but this one is really simple. You just go to menu here on iDrive menu. When you press menu, I'll now go back. So here, let me go to radio. I like that. It's just press menu and this will show up, and then go to vehicle information, click on that, and then vehicle status, and then exactly here where it says this one, service requirements. And as you see, everything is green. It says green, except this one, emission inspection. Just you click with this iDrive every time, and this is back, go back, and just like that it will come back here, and then just press this button, it will go here again, press, and you see it says 2021 January. So what you do is, in some newer BMWs, you have to use this like up and down, but in my case here it's already there, and just press this always when you try to change the date. Just press it, put it on the April, because next year April it's again the MOT time, and of course they do it there, the emission test. It's their job to do that, and I know my car has no problem because I did it last year. And it depends how old your car is. Some car, if older than 10 years, you have to do it yearly. You go to MOT, they do the emission inspection. And if it's newer, it depends how new it is, from 2 to 3 years. But right now my car, it has every 2 years. Next year will be every year. So I did it last year on April, and now I put on April, and again press. When you press, you go to year, and I will change it to 26. Next year, April 26. Again, it's the MOT time, and they do the emission test. If everything is okay, then you have to reset it every time, every year yourself here, like that. And then again, when it's the date is okay, you're happy with it, just again press this one. That's it. Now it's green, there's no problem. And press back, go back, see, it's done. Just like this, simple.